My name's Jen, I'm the manager of Jessops in Exeter, and I've been in the photography industry for over 15 years now. One of my photographic inspirations is my mum. She was never a technical photographer, she only ever had a point and shoot 35mm camera when I was growing up, but she used to capture moments in time perfectly between me and my brother, and it's those kind of photos that I endeavour to take today. Those kind of photos are unposed, real images. They're snippets in time, something that will never happen twice. I think there still is inequality within the photo industry, but within Jessops and within our customers, we're definitely starting to see a shift towards a more female-friendly environment. If you've been too worried or too embarrassed to come into a photography shop because you think it's going to be really male-orientated, then come in, check us out, see what we're about. All we want to do is encourage you to have fun with your love of photography. I actively encourage anyone, regardless of gender, to just pick up a camera, get out there and have fun.
I'm Vicki and I'm a photography trainer within the Jessops Academy training team. The thing that inspired me to get into photography randomly was my love of the ocean. I watched Jaws when I was 7 and absolutely fell in love with the shark. There was a lot of real-time footage that was shot by a couple called Ron and Valerie Taylor. I then did lots more research into them and what they did, and I really just wanted to be able to photograph the ocean. As a result, I actually went to university to study marine and natural history photography purely so that I could photograph sharks. I have experienced prejudice before when running courses, where I'll walk in a room and because I'm only 5 foot tall, I'm a girl and I look young, people don't think I know as much as I do. But that said, it only takes a few minutes for them to realise that that's not the case. And then of course we do end up having an amazing day, and it shows that women do know just as much as men do in this industry. And if I have anything to say about it, there's going to be more of us as well.